सावधान सिद्ध ब्रह्मनाथ। शांति शांति शांति।
Hello students, good morning all of you. Welcome back to BSN class. In last class we had a discussion regarding difference between private company and public company. In this class I am going to update some notes related to formation of a joint stock company. So give heading formation of a joint stock company. Formation of a joint stock company. Formation of a joint stock company. Write down. The promotion of PROMOTION, promotion of every business requires requires a process to be followed. FOLLOWED, followed. Full stop. The promotion of a company involves the promotion of a company involves the conceiving conceiving of a business opportunity. Opportunity. Business opportunities and taking the initiative to give a practice sale. SHAPE, to give a practice, PRACTICE, practice sale. Full stop. Next heading, stages for promotion of a company. Stages for STAGES, stages for promotion of a company. Okay? There are 4 stages included in a promotion of a company. First one is, write down, promotion stage. Second one is incorporation or registration stage. Third one is promotion stage. Second one is incorporation or registration stage. Third one is flotation or capital raising stage. Fourth one is commencement of business stage. So give first heading, that is promotion stage. Give first heading for promotion stage. Okay, write down. Promotion of a company is promotion of a company is promotion of a company is the first stage, FIRST, first stage, where WHERE, where necessary steps, NECESSARY, necessary steps are taken for bringing the idea, bringing, BRINGING, bringing the idea of a company, bringing the idea of a company into a practice, PRACTICE, into a practice. Full stop. Under this various plans are prepared, PREPARED, various plans are prepared and inputs are arranged. Full stop. Various plans are prepared, PREPARED, and inputs are arranged. Full stop. This involves involves identification of identification of an opportunity, identification of an opportunity, studying the feasibility, feasibility, studying the feasibility, assembling the requirements, ASSEMBLING, assembling the requirements, and financing the project, etc. Full stop. All these works, 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 are undertaken by the promoters. All these works are undertaken by the promoters, PROMOTRS, promoters. Next paragraph, write down in next paragraph. A promoter is a person. A promoter is a person who initiates initiates the setting up of a company, and controls its working, controls its working, full stop. He may be an individual. He may be an individual, comma, a firm, FIRM, or a corporate body, CORPORATE, corporate body, BODY, full stop. Okay, next heading is steps to promotion or steps involved in promotion stage. Steps involved in promotion stage. Steps involved in promotion stage. Write down. First step. Give side heading. Identification of business opportunities. Identification of business opportunities. Identification of business opportunity. Write down. It is the first stage. Where where the promoters visualize, visualize that there are opportunities for a particular type of business which can be run profitability, full stop. The idea may be to explore, EXPLORE, to explore a new area of natural resources or a project in the existing line of business full stop. In this process related experts, EXPERTS, experts may be consulted, 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 full stop. Second point or second stage, detailed investigation. Detailed investigation, right? It is the second stage. Where where factors, factors relating to the business factors relating to the business are studied. STUDIED, studied from a practical point of view. From a practical point of view. Full stop. The demand for the product is estimated. The demand for the product is estimated. Full stop. After determining the prospective demand, PROSPECTIVE, prospective demand, comma, the promoters think of arranging finance, comma, labor, raw materials, comma, power and other factors of production. Full stop. Okay, these are the 2 steps and 3 more steps are there in promotion stage, and we will update it in next class. Okay, thank you.